to show you how to do. So let's move on. First, bowl. Second, glue. Third, where you put your slime in. Fourth, mixing tool. So let's put the glue in first. The glue. Glue in. I'm just testing it. Put a little first. Let's just test a little first. If that works, we do a lot. Okay. We're doing white slime.
Marshmallow.
Let's mix it. Mix it. Okay. Now let's put in our activator. Just hold on 1 second. Like that. Mix it all together. Mix it all together. Mix it all together. That. Like that. See guys, it's working. So we're doing a lot. Okay guys, you know me. You know me. You know, right? Okay, we need to put some more activator. That. Sorry about that. That's just my sister. You know, my sister. Check out his channel. Is I don't know what, but she just made a vlog today. Don't mind that noise, okay? So here's the slime, guys. Here's the slime. It's not really that stretchy. It's okay, guys. It's okay. We'll do more. Just need to keep mixing them. Mix it. See, guys? It's working. Let's put it in the container. See? Smally container. You know, guys, I love doing slimes. Sorry that I never do one slime vlog a long time ago, but I got a slime vlog. I forgot the channel. Sorry guys, so you need to check it out. I'll just put the link here. Okay guys? Yeah. So let's do more. Let's do the whole thing, guys. Whole thing. Oh, just look at the poop. It's pooping out. Pooping out. Pooping out. It's pooping out, guys. Let's do it like this. Then we can do more slimes. Let's mix it all together. We're doing marshmallow slime, guys. Sorry if you don't know, because I forgot. You know, I always forgot to say stuff. Like that. See that, guys? It's working. It's working. It's working. It's working, guys. Let's just put the whole thing in there. You know, half in here. That. See that, guys? It's working. It's kind of working. It smells really bad, guys. It smells so bad. Let's just put more. Yeah, there. You can see it there. You know. You can see it right there, right? I don't think it's working. some water. See that now? No, my slime not working. Okay, here it is. Just need to keep mixing.
Don't put too much, because later you might overheat it.
I need to put more. Guys, the slime's not working because my sister put some hot water in that.
Use all
Yeah,
the glue.
yeah.
Just keep mixing.
See guys, it's kind of working.
Okay, I think that's enough.
I need more.
A bit. Or okay dah.
There guys, keep mixing.
Don't use hand yet.
I know.
I touch. A bit more I think later. You never put a bit of the slime that I give you inside.
No, mix it here. I want other color. If the slime is too soapy, you just keep mixing, guys. I need more.
No, that's enough. You over activate.
Too sticky.
Just mix until very clean. Trust me, they'll put again nice so not over activate. Trust me.
My hand's so tight, guys.
This is fun.
Sorry about that. That's my sister's vlog.
Slime, how to make slime.
Vlog. Oh, wait, this is okay.
Dang it, I was in the wrong one. This I feel better. I mix with the guys. You put some more.
No, you put too much.
That's why I tell you lucky I never put some more.
See, like you put too much. See, guys?
How come my one this time you a lot ah?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, because I put water. I add too much, that's why it's a bit cheaper.
That, guys. See, guys? It's working. Just keep mixing. Kak, what slime is that? Nila is none.
I mix this.
What?
See the slime that I made just now?
Oh. See, guys? It's white slime.
Marshmallow.
Yeah, I'm playing with marshmallows. See, guys? Just keep mixing. Then it will become like normal slime. You know, non-stickily. It's kind of
I need
glittery,
to wait for a
guys.
day, right? Then later it become like avalanche.
Guys, okay. So let's put some more glue. Put more glue.